On March 8, 2024, U.S. Border Patrol dispatch broadcasted that a white Dodge Caravan was reportedly seen near the California Department of Food and Agriculture station on Interstate 8 in Winterhaven, California. Officers then located the suspect and initiated a traffic stop. Here is what occurred.
Stay in the vehicle, sir. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. What's in your hand? Put it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Put the fucking gun. Put it away, sir. Hey. That vehicle taken out. Hey. Hey, just for info, he had a small, what appeared to be a handgun. Small handgun.
Like 45 miles per hour. Has anybody said it was 5 feet or west of it or not yet? Okay, I'm approaching the station center. It's going westbound, 50 miles per hour. Yeah, red car, and then it's going to be behind me. It's going to be a white Caravan. Or passenger red car. On the road, that's going to be the only vehicle. Keep going westbound.
10-4, continue westbound.
Okay, we got 2 front tires in the front one. 2 front tires.
Okay, we're passing the detention center. We're going westbound, 50 miles per hour. And there's going to be a red car, and then it's going to be behind it. It's going to be a white Caravan. We're passing the red car. We're approaching Underhill. That's going to be the only vehicle coming up. Approaching Underhill, that's going to be the only vehicle going westbound. Go to the spikes.
We're done.
Continue, keep going westbound. Okay, we have 2 flat tires, the front ones, 2 front tires.
Can you text me, this thing keeps on coming, it's coming their way, it's westbound 98. So, he's off road.
M-T, vehicle accident.
Hey, looks like he took a dump in a drain. Could you have him this standby?
Yeah.
What's up, fire?
I don't see the driver.
I couldn't tell if it was a lighter or an actual gun, but it looked like a gun.
Can you see him?
Gun.
Can you see him?
I can't see him at all.
Hey, you
Do this way. Border Patrol, put your hands up! Border Patrol!
Okay, I'm gonna go down and get the window. Alright? Let's watch it. Yeah. Are you okay? Sir, you're not the Border Patrol. No.
Can't see him.
It's from here. That's it.
That's him.
Yeah, that's his legs.
Oh, he's crushed, man.
Yeah.
Hey, have him call fire! He's crushed.
Hey, can you move? Can you respond? No, I don't want to touch.
Hey, can you go get my spikes at Anderholt?
You have a knife? I don't know.
I have a knife, yeah?
I think he's gonna be the only one.
Yeah, he's not moving.
No, he's not moving.
If you can get...
How many are on there? Like,
I think you see only one. Just one.
just one?
Yeah.
One?
Cause I can grab the legs and put them out right now, right?
Is that?
Yeah, it's all bent.
Huh?
It's bent.
Agents recovered a handgun and a baggie containing narcotics from the scene of the collision.
And he's out.
The driver was pronounced dead at the scene.